Without our very generous sponsors, pasalamatan po natin ang Coca-Cola, Smart Communications, W, Low Telecom, That's Gold Products Philippines, GCash, GLPD Home, Our Man Center, Surf Usawa S25, prepaid fiber internet powered by First ICT Solutions, like Macari Sweat, Johnny Claro, Shopee, Nature Springs, Surf, Northern Crest Trading, Victory Miner, Minute Burger, Alaska, Wood Taco, Pick Up Coffee, Dirt Plus, and Grow, and of course, Merch ICT Solutions Incorporated. Sa ating po mga sponsors, maraming salamat po. At syempre, yung po ating mga tulis